Hi, my name is Nahili Mohammed and I'm a 7th grader at Chinook. I hate that just because I'm a Muslim, every time I go out in public with my mother, a person always has to say Allahu Akbar. Like that's supposed to offend me. But do you know what Allahu Akbar means? It just means God is great in the language Arabic. I'm tired of media portraying Islam as a terrorist group. But then, when a white supremacist man murders 51 innocent people, oh, it was because he was just mentally ill. Oh, he just had a rough childhood. No, he's a murderer, he's a killer, and he's a family ruiner. Any of you imagine being a Muslim black woman? That is 3 things I get discriminated for every step of the way. A Muslim black woman. It is frustrating that our people have to go through the pain of being judged because of a simple headscarf or because we believe in something. It's like you comparing the KKK to the Christian religion. The youngest child that was murdered on that day was a 3-year-old boy. Just imagine right now. Take a moment to imagine a 3-year-old boy running around in a church, being scared for his life. Do y'all have younger siblings? Do y'all love your younger siblings? So now imagine your younger sibling running around for his life, not knowing what to do. I have a 3-year-old brother. I have a 3-year-old brother. I can't imagine a world without him. Every day, I worry for my family. At this age, I shouldn't worry for my family. Isn't America the home of the free? So why do we feel like we don't belong here? Thank you all for being out here listening to us. We have Rowan Turn to Love on chalk over there on the gravel. Please, we encourage you to sign it, to know that you guys are supporting us through this very hard time. Thank you so much.